Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox HP OMEN gaming desktop. This is the box. They just shipped me like this, so the box got dirty in shipping. Best Buy just stick the label over here. I removed it. Okay, let's look at the specs over here. This is the model. Over here, GT13-1124. It comes with a Ryzen 7 5700G, 16 gig of RAM, and RX 6700 XT, and 1 terabyte SSD. It was cheaper than that. It was on sale. You know, as always, if it's not on sale, the price is not good. It was like about 300-400 off. 1 terabyte SSD. This is pretty standard right now. So it's 8-core CPU, this one. RAM is 3200. This is good, DDR4. Has total 2 slots, so if I want more RAM, I'll have to remove this and put two 16 each. 12 gig video card, so this one is a 12 gig. It's faster than 3060 definitely, but if we compare it to 3070, then 3070 is faster than this. Video card has 12 gig of video memory, which is pretty good. And again, this is another thing about desktops. Desktops come with more video RAM on the video cards. The video cards are pretty big in the desktops. Windows 11 Home, like whatever, you know, 11 Home, 10 Home. Has Wi-Fi right away, okay. Ethernet port, HDMI, a lot of USB-A ports. It has 2 USB-C. Okay, we're gonna check it out. Display ports, these 3 come from the video card, and probably this is another one. It's 4, we'll see, we'll check it out. 600 watts power supply, which is good. M2 slots 3. Okay, so we can have like many more SSDs. We can have like 2 more, I believe, right? And here we can have like something else, hard drives. Definitely not gonna use any hard drives. And then this is just that. And no optical drive. Okay, so let's unbox it and check it out. Just open the box. Over here it says top. Okay. Here we have the desktop. It seems pretty secure, and the box is very strong, so yeah, I believe it's like safe to ship just like that. It just wasn't nice to get the delivery just like that, and now it's all dirty. I can't even read the specs from there. Got the power cord and some like papers, warranty, whatever, in this plastic bag. And here we have the computer itself. Ooh, boom. Here it tells you about all the ports, all the stuff, but we're gonna see it. Let's see over here. You can plug in headphones and microphone, turn on button, and 2 USB-A's here. Oh, this is the most interesting part. We're gonna get back to it. Let's look over here. All this stuff. Then we have for internet, full size, 2 more USB-A's. And we have 2 USB-C and 2 more USB-A. And from video card we have DisplayPort, and HDMI. And power in the bottom. This side does not have much. And we get over here. Here we have CPU. I mean, it's a cooler on top of CPU. Here we have 2 RAM sticks, and actually there are 2 more slots, so I was wrong before. It has 4 slots, so I can buy just 2 exactly like this and make it 32 gig. If I need, actually, I think 16 is fine. There's some power over there. We have our SSD over there. Okay. Okay, this is the big video card, almost as wide as the whole thing. Extra power for it over here. Over here, I believe we can get another SSD, which I'm looking to do. I already have some spare 2 terabyte SSD. 2 SATA connectors already connected. And focus. And it says there HDD1 and HDD2. So there's a SATA. But you can also connect, you know, older style SSDs, which are SATA, like slower ones, but they're still much faster than hard drive. I connected keyboard and mouse. I decided to see how it is. Never tried HP keyboard and mouse. Definitely don't like the wires. I'm gonna pair it with 32-inch MSI monitor. This one, let's see, the first time. Everything lit up, very nice, very beautiful, very quiet, to be honest with you. Like super quiet. OMEN here, something over there. Some lights in the back, connected keyboard mouse over there. Oh, now we can actually see stuff better over here. And the first thing we see there is setting up Windows. I did not read any instructions or anything, but I figured this is the way to access. It says internal access. So we press it, and at the same time we can... On Best Buy website it said you can have 3 SSDs. But not like this, only one like this, and another 2 the older ones, you know, the SATA ones, like SSD, old SSD, like, you know, slower SSD or hard drive. You can have 2 over here. This is SATA connectors. It's for power, so we're gonna have I'm gonna put the old style, like, you know, the SATA SSD over here later on. We'll see. For now, I'm just gonna be using this. And I was thinking you can put SATA in when it was covered. Now that I see it better, I think it's like somewhere like for wireless thing. It's like, it's not to plug in anything. This thing. And here I'll probably put a sound card, so I have better sound from my speakers. So in order to do that, we just like unscrew over here, and I have this sound blaster to put in there to get better sound. I unscrewed over here, and just like was 1 screw over there, and just like we have some fan here, and that's it. Nothing to get from here. So I try Cyberpunk on mostly like some very high settings. It shows me I only have 14 frames per second, which is horrible. And as we can see, like GPU is fully loaded, CPU like doesn't work. I put settings on low, and now I have like over 100 frames per second, which for this kind of game is perfect. I'm gonna try ultra settings, which are not the highest. There's something over here, but I just do like this, ultra. Okay, and then we click resume. And we get here about 60. I'm gonna stick with that, I guess, for now at least. Let's try some Witcher. So as we can see, we have about 90, and this is on ultra settings. Video, graphics, and graphics is on ultra. So we have pretty much the highest graphics, and we get 100. 100, over 100 frames per second on highest settings, 1440p. in 120 now sometimes. Probably gonna be a bit less in the city, but still. Overall, it's a good computer. You get like over 100 frames per second on ultra settings in Witcher, and like you can play pretty much all the games on, if not the highest, but high settings. And this computer was a bit over $1,000 on sale, and you may want to spend double if you want like 3080 Ti or something like that video card, i9 or whatnot. Spend like 2,000 or over 2,000, and you know, it's not gonna be much better. It's gonna be like, you know, all games gonna run well. Have to spend a lot, you know, and get the best. You can still get something decent and upgrade later on. Pretty sure the CPU, even though it's even now not the fastest, it's Ryzen 7 5700, it's still fine, and it's gonna be fine for the games even like 5-7 years from now. But video card, this is something that you need to upgrade. So maybe eventually, after a couple of years, 3 years, 5 years maybe, if I will need, I can still upgrade the RAM, get it to 32, and get a new video card, and this computer will still be fine to run the games. It's mostly about video cards, all the games. There's a big one. And here it's the light from the sound card, also pretty nice. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.